Hey everybody, this is Caesar with Small Engine Velocity, and I have another ruckus video for you today. It has to do with something that I posted on the Facebook page. It's some H4 I had gotten off of Amazon. I had found a coupon code for 75% off, and they were $12.50. They're normally $50. I just wanted to see how good they were. I mean, for $12.50, it's worth a try. So today, we're gonna go ahead and have those installed. But before we install that, go ahead and roll the intro. So I went ahead and rolled the ruckus out of the garage, and we're gonna go ahead and take off the headlight assembly. I had recently gone back to the stock assembly, which by the way I love. Not that I didn't like my LED headlights, and those people that converted to those types of square headlights, it's wonderful, but I kind of wanted to go more classic look. You never know, I might pull the LEDs back in again, but we're gonna go with this for now. Anyways, let's go ahead and take these off, disconnect the wires, and then see how well we can hook the connectors in. Next thing is we'll go ahead and peel back the rubber bracket to expose the actual light bulb assembly. Wow, I've never taken this off before. This is all new to me. There you go. There's the stock bulb. From the beginning, you peel this back, you push your thumb on this little lever right here and take it off the hook. It flips up, bulb comes out. There you go. Let's go ahead and get the new bulbs. Okay, so here's the new bulb box, made by F6, I guess. LED headlight, Super LED FYF Illuminato Columbia. Words. It's sealed, so we'll go ahead and open the seal. I lost my small engine velocity knife. If anyone has an extra knife they want to donate, I'm more than willing to accept. There you go. Now, these things are gigantic, with obviously a converter of some sort, or the voltage regulator of some sort for this. So when you put these in, absolutely gigantic. So this will plug into the headlight assembly, and I'll probably put the headlight assembly into the battery box. Let's do the other one. There you go. So it looks like I'm gonna have to cut out the back of the boot right here to get it to fit. So the fan is sticking out. I'm not sure how well that's gonna work with waterproofing, but let's cut out as minimum as possible. Okay, let's go ahead and try to cut this up. Let me cut mine up so we can figure out if it's good, so you don't have to cut yours if it doesn't work that well for me. Okay, so it looks like I cut out too much. I should have cut a smaller circle there. Now it's going to be too breathy, but no turning back now. I'm going to go ahead and connect this and turn one headlight on to see what it looks like. Let's go ahead and do that. Whew. It's very bright. I can feel heat coming off of it this far away. The cooling fan hasn't come on yet, so obviously it's not that hot. So let's go ahead and finish putting the other one in. Since the headlight has this huge thing on the back right here, I have to retract the stock connector into the body. Unfortunately, when I put the stock connector back on, I made it bullet connector bit like this. The whole harness comes out, and then I'll just rewire it back here, and then I can push it into the body. So let's do that real quick. I'll back you up a little bit. Okay, so now I have it connected. I'm gonna put the key in and turn it. Bam! LEDs. A little bit crooked. So here's the plan. I'm gonna button this all up. You don't need to watch me button it all back up. I'm gonna go ahead and get my helmet ready, and when the sun goes down, I will go ahead and do a night ride with this to see what it looks like. Anyways, it should be dark very soon, which is right now. Okay, we are outside, and it is dark. It is night. Look at the sky, and we get to test the headlights to see how well they work. Okay, so let's see, ready, and okay, so you can see down the street. Ta-da! Oh my gosh, I'm lighting up some trees. Let's see how the high beam looks. Whoa! Oh my gosh! I can see everything in front of me. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. Uh-oh, oh there. Okay, so switching from high to low, there was a delay. Okay, let's go ahead and give it a start. Let's go ahead and drive around and see how well it highlights things. Wow, and it's nice and white. It's an 8000 or a 6K light. Okay, I have light on the street, so wow. Okay, guys, so we know the bulbs work. You have to cut out the back a little bit to get it to fit. One of them I cut too big. You saw I used electrical tape so that I could cover the back of it, and it worked out pretty good. I put a few layers in. There is a fan that blows out the back, and it does have for heat, so if you're a person who drives in the rain a lot, this is probably not a good idea, although I don't see it being too bad of an idea. Alright, here we go, and then we've got, I'm blinding this person in front of me. We're going to go ahead and turn the high beams. Wow! That's awesome. Alright, I'm not going to go very, very far. Anyways, $12.50. Worth it. Very worth it. $50. Worth it. There's one thing to say about something that you have tested, and something that someone else tested, and if it works, it is good to spend the money to know that someone else has tested it. Now, longevity, I don't know. How long will it, will it burn out later on? I don't know. But so far, the verdict is good. So, if you really have a question about those things, stay tuned, because I'm sure that I'll say something about it in the future. But anyways, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe if you want to see more stuff like this. And I will see everybody in the next video.